Can you get your phone and call Suzanne again?
In pocket.
Okay, go get it.
Uh-oh. Where go?
I don't know.
My friend,
There it is. Who is it?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I
It's a Suzanne. Oh, Mommy will get it for you. Let's watch Lucas.
You dropped your phone. I found it. Whose phone does this belong to?
Mine.
Oh, is it yours? What's your name?
Theo.
Your name's Theo? It says Lucas on the phone.
Theo. Me Theo.
You're Theo.
Let's talk Theo. Hi Theo. I want to see you Theo. I want to see what.
Oh, hold on. You're
I
covering it. I know.
want to
Here, it's right there.
I want to
There you are.
I
Hi.
want to blink. No, I want to see Theo.
Can you call Suzanne real fast? Okay. Okay. We're gonna. Can you call Sarah for us and say hi, Sarah? How you doing?
Hi, Seba. Goodbye, Seba. Goodbye.
In bucket.
I want to.
Did she call you again? Bring.
Ring.
Okay.
No, I want to take a picture.
And take a picture. Bring.
Ring.
You better answer. Someone's calling. I don't know what that means. There's Mommy.
Mama.
Hi, Mommy.
Hey, Mommy.
Oh, he's eating the crazy eating. Oh, good eating. Oh. And now we're filming a box of food. Hello.
Mama.
Oh, there's Mama. Hi, Mama. Do you want to call Mama and see if she picks up?
Hi, Mama. Pick up.
Oh, yes.
Ring, ring.
Hi, Theo. It's Mommy.
Goodbye.
Hi.
It's Mommy.
Hi.
Thank you. I need to see Mommy.
Okay. I'm going to take a picture of Mommy and show you. Okay, say bye, everybody.
Hello, that's my phone.
Okay.
Be careful, you're going to break your phone.
5 minutes. See timer.
Oh, I see the timer. Is it for 5 minutes?
Okay.
All right.
Hi. Change comes 5 minutes.
Okay. Ding, ding, ding. 5 minutes for the train.
Hey, both. Let's cable car.
Oh, cable car is coming. All right. Bye.
I like the train.
Yeah?
I like the train.